Hello buddy, Chip Graham here, and I apologise for the rubbish sound quality. This camera that I'm using is not all that great with the sounds. In fact, I don't even think a mic can help it, and I've not got a mic with me. You know, all the mics that I've had is broke. Well, okay, I told a lie. Not all the mics I've got is broken. One mic is fine. It doesn't really, isn't really as good as well. I've not got a stand for it for starters, and it's a lot of static. And I'm pretty sure this has got a lot of static too. Background static. Yeah. So I apologise. Apologise for the sound quality and possibly the camera quality if you don't like it, but apologise for the sound quality because I don't even like it. Anyways, see you all in the next video, and thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe.